This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing anything you need. Copy documents and licenses off the disk so you can't lose them. Once that's done, make a bootable USB with the OS installer or wiping tool and verify the image checksum so it's authentic. You should then reboot, enter BIOS or UEFI, and set USB as first boot. Make sure Secure Boot is disabled if the tool requires it, because otherwise the system may refuse to run your media. You'll now boot the USB into either the installer or a live environment so you have direct disk control. Once there, list disks and partitions to confirm the correct device. Mistakes here delete the wrong drive. Then, choose your method. Use disk parts clean, Linux DD to overwrite with zeros, or shred for multiple passes if you need secure erasure. Make sure to target the entire disk, not just a partition, because the OS may leave boot records behind. You finish by recreating a fresh partition table if you plan to install something new, or by leaving the disk blank if you want it unrecoverable. Verify with disk utilities. Once done, reboot to confirm the original OS no longer starts and proceed with reinstall or disposal. If something goes wrong, check the boot order and validate your USB image. If volumes were encrypted, remember keys must be removed or data will remain inaccessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.